Hello, fellow makers. Welcome to Button Making 101 with me, Brian. All the buttons you could ever possibly need, except recently I noticed I have a missing spot here. Missing a button. So I don't panic, I get out my button maker. The button I originally had was a BC Ambulance Pride flag. I printed out something as similar as I could find. I want to make a button, I'm going to put it right there. You're going to see all about it. So here we go. What you're going to need is button maker. I got this one off Amazon. It wasn't the most expensive one, but it wasn't also the cheapest one. I'd definitely recommend staying away from the plastic cheap ones. You want something fairly solid if you want to do a good job. And you're going to use all these materials here. Here's the actual picture we're going to have. This is going to be plastic film. You can't see. It's going to go over top of that. The tin button itself, and of course the back of the button. Now you're also going to find some different varieties. This is a plastic one. We just got these new ones, so I'm going to try this one. All right, here we go. Step one, I'm going to load the machine. It's in. We're going to put it right there. Next, we're going to take the image over top. All right, get on there. Take this plastic film again. You hear it, can't see it. Put it there. On the other side, we're going to slide this through. Now, here's the part. It's going to be the back, that's going to be facing down. Once it's down, we'll put it there. Oh, so we'll leave it there. Push it down. Back up. Slide it through. Back down. And all of a sudden, never sells a button. It's going to go right there. Next time you see me, it'll be on. I'm going to show you how to do one of your very own. You don't need a pre-printed thing. You can write, draw, anything in your imagination. Okay, here we go. We're going to make our own now. Now, I have a wild imagination. My artistic skills, not so much. So this one's not going to be that great, but I'm sure you guys are going to have much better ideas. Now, our button maker came with this little plastic doodad here that's going to cut out the proper size circles. If you don't have one of these, you can use a protractor, something like that. Use an X-Acto knife if you don't have anything else. Just make sure that you are double, triple checking the size first. You want it to fit all the way in here. I'll show you real quick here how we do it. Hole out, just like that. We've got a spot to make a button. Okay, now we're gonna try, like I said earlier, my artistic skills not great. We're gonna write down something simple that I can think of here. Maybe just a little friendly greeting for whoever you come by next. Put a smile on someone's face. Hello. I've already loaded in the top and the bottom. Just now need to put that in there. Plastic film, don't forget. Pull it down. Step one, slide it across. Step two. Hello, here I am. It's me, the Button Man, Ryan. Come back for more tips on button making, anything your imagination could possibly think of. All right, that's it. This is how we make a button from a pre-made circle or one of our very own. Hello, my name is Ryan. See you next time.